Start. Hello, Ishani.
Hello everyone, my name is Ishani Pravin Soni. I am studying in class first. My section name is the today Apsara, Camel and Domes
Kit.
Kit. Today if is
How many types of colors you have?
this watercolor, so it's not this, it's a
How many colors are there?
12.
Wow, very nice.
12
And?
watercolors in
This one box.
on box, and this is kit me and milk.
It is very dry color.
It's a dry watercolor color.
Oh, very nice. And what is this?
This is brush pen of domes.
Wow, very nice.
This is domes color. This color is domes.
In this pack, how many colors? 14 colors. Wow.
14 colors.
13 plus 1. Wow, very nice. And what is this?
This is oil pastel color.
Wow.
Oil pastel color.
In this color, in this packet, how many colors?
How many
12.
colors?
Wow.
12.
This is brush pen, this is
is
oil pastel color,
color.
and this is
This is glitter.
glitter. Wow, very nice.
Domes glitter 3 pack.
And
This is sketch
this
pen.
is a sketch pen also, domes.
This
Wow.
is diary. And
Mini
I-
diary. Oh,
Mini diary. Write.
we can write
We can write one page.
any page.
And page.
Wow,
This
very
is
nice.
Ishani, Arohit, Durva, star, I love you, heart.
Wow, very nice.
This is
And this pencil color also, domes.
Two.
Oh, two double-sided.
it's a double-sided.
Wow, very nice. So 12 colors, very nice. And what is this?
This is dome scale. And this is the dome scale.
Very
This
nice.
is the dome scale. This
Well,
is
sharpener
dome
domes.
color 14. This is star of the
Okay.
sticker.
Wow.
This is sticky notes of fun. This is
Wow. Tag.
This is yeah.
Apsara eraser.
Apsara eraser. This is Apsara sharpness. This is a Apsara.
This is a compass box. Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse.
Wow, very nice. And this is
This is
pencils. Domes
Pencils.
pencil.
Rubber.
Eraser pencil.
This is the
And what is
toothbrush.
this? It is looking so pretty. What is
This
this?
is a pencil rubber.
Pencil eraser. Pencil shape eraser.
Pencil shape eraser.
Wow, very nice. Ishani, you have many types of colors. Very good.
This is dome drawing book.
And Domes
Like
nine
this-
book
this
also.
is
Wow.
And this leaf drawing. And
In the last page,
In
what's-
the last page, the domes, not
Look.
certificate.
oh wow, very nice. Okay.
Or this is
Camlin.
camel,
Camlin.
camel.
Lily scale. Oh
Scale.
wow, very nice.
Hello.